everyone, how is your day so far? This is my day.
Every day amplified.
Darling, this is your point of view, but the reality is much different. This is my day.
Every day amplified.
Buongiorno, buongiorno. Thank you very much. Grazie mille. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome in Lamborghini Pavilion. The Lamborghini language is for sure different. We don't have to use too many words. We leave the room for emotion, for colors, for unique lines. We are here to present the new member of the Huracan family, the Huracan Evo Spider, and of course the Huracan Coupe that we just launched 1 month ago dynamically. It's a new evolution of a Huracan, it's a new step versus a fun-to-drive car, a car that is unique in terms of performance with the new system of LDVI that is helping to predict the control of the car while you're driving, and of course is using for the first time a connectivity base that is fundamental for our young customer generation. This is really a unique masterpiece of a car that is already more than 5 years on the road, that is growing, and as I said, is something unique. But Lamborghini is not only this. We are living an incredible moment of our growth, and we don't have to forget that our brand started with the V12, with our Hilo car, that is the Aventador. Aventador was launched in 2011. Last year, in this beautiful show, we launched the SVJ, 900 units already sold out, and we are here to keep on working on this fantastic brand and this fantastic history. We are here together to launch the SVJ Roadster that will be produced in 800 units. Let's have a look at this car. Super cool, fantastic color, fantastic line, but I just want to share with you what is at the center of our project, is the experience that our customers are having with us. I mean, we are designer of experience. We want to make sure that all the people that are coming with Lamborghini have a unique taste of what we represent today. We are a brand that's expanding. As I said, very young, getting younger and younger, where we can see also with regard to our social media situation. We are more than 33 million of viewers that are coming to join us in our daily life. And this is what we are offering to them. All around the world, unique experience with all the different models. But the growth, not only in terms of brand awareness, was given by this fantastic car, the Urus, the super SUV that has taken the Lamborghini brand to a different dimension, to a different level in terms of volumes. And also this year we'll do another step, incredible for us. And also for Urus, we're going to launch new colors. This is the matte version, together with specific and unique details with carbon fibers and other contents. I mean, this is Lamborghini today. And I just want to thank, first of all, our women and men that are working in Sant'Agata to make sure that this dream is keeping for the future. I want to thank our fans that are following us. I want to thank, of course, our shareholder for the trust and for let us being different from the others. Thank you very much, and enjoy together here in Geneva what is Lamborghini of today. Bye-bye.